Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the tea leaf layer wig from BelleTress in the color Cola with Cherry. So let me show you this color real quick. I love the BelleTress Cafe Collection colors. So you can see here that this is a really nice sort of warm, chocolatey brown color. It's got these lovely sort of medium auburn highlights in it, but it's not like a crazy bright auburn. It's more like a subdued sort of natural auburn color. Very, very pretty. So it's a little bit like a ginger brown or something like that. So tea leaf layer is another one of those BelleTress wigs that I was sort of like, until I actually got it on, and then I realized, oh yeah, okay, I understand. You know, because I'm always super skeptical about heat-friendly synthetic wigs. I just am, kind of by nature. And that's because they're a little tricky to take care of sometimes. But this one feels really nice. Like, it just has a really, really great feel to it. And it looks gorgeous, like right out of the box. It's got a great hair density. It moves beautifully. The top of it is phenomenal. This is a hand-tied wig, so check out the top of that. And here's the lace front, so you can see. This wig is really, really cute. Now let me talk some specs. The bang is 6 inches, so it's definitely long. You could have a stylist cut a bang into it though, and I think it looked really cute like that. But for now, it's best to sweep it off to the side since it's so long. This kind of reminds me of Emma Stone's hair in Superbad, just a little bit, especially in this color. The crown down is 12 inches, the sides are 12 inches, the nape is 14 inches, and the overall length, especially at the back from top to bottom, is about 21.5 inches. So let me show you what tea leaf layer looks like on all sides. A little closer so you can take another look at it close up. Very cute wig. The coverage on the side is really good, and the lace front on this one goes all the way to the end of the ear tab. I'm going to go ahead and take this one off now so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. So as I mentioned before, tea leaf layer has a hand-tied lace front and monofilament top. She's also got a hand-tied cap in general. The back is really stretchy. They use a really nice stretchy material on these BelleTress wigs. The perimeter is not quite as stretchy, but you can let it in or out a little bit like a bra strap. It's let all the way out already. She does not have an extended nape. It's partially extended though, and it is closed. And then we've also got these ear tabs. They're really interesting because they've got that nice bit of metal in them and a bit of polyurethane, so you can put some adhesive there. But that lace, like I said, isn't just temple to temple. It goes all the way to the edge of the ear tabs. And here is what the mono top on tea leaf looks like again up close. So you can see those knots. And there's that texture in the back. It's a really pretty wig. I'm going to go ahead and put this one back on for you now. Tea leaf layers is a 5-ounce wig, so she's quite substantial in that regard. But I mean, you're getting a ton of hair and it's all pretty long. I mean, this one is definitely, you know, a boob hugger. You know, it's not a total boob hugger, but it's pretty close. It's like right there on the girls. So definitely a long wig. But yeah, I really like this one. I think it's very cute, very girl next door. Again, like I said, it kind of reminds me of Emma Stone's hair from Superbad a little bit. So this has been the tea leaf layer wig by BelleTress in the color Cola with Cherry. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Thanks for watching my wig reviews. If you like what you see, please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And until next time, I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.